Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create YouTube banner in Adobe Express. So get ready started. At first open your Adobe Express. Now create YouTube banner. Then we show the interface. Then we click for the search bar. Now search from YouTube banner. Then I already show the YouTube banner. Now for click. Then wait some more for a moment. Then I show many YouTube banner format in the template. Now choose a format. Now for click. Then show the format from the YouTube banner. Now select from a text. Now firstly my YouTube channel name. Then type from my YouTube channel name, template design. Then select from text. Now choose color. Then choose the color. Now second option is the optional, this channel keyword and channel details. My channel details is the tutorial video. This, then a picture is the remove. This insert from my channel logo. Now channel logo from insert. Now going to the upload option. Now for click. Then choose find from my channel logo. Now click for, then click for open. Now resize my logo name. From move the logo. That is. Then the color background. Now for select. That is. Now background color from sense. That is. Then you show already created from YouTube banner. Then you border thickness and corner round race. That is. Now we already create from the YouTube banner. Now this YouTube banner from download. Now for click. Then click for a download option. That is. Then we show the check from a download. Now click for double click. That is. Then we show already created from YouTube banner in Adobe Express for easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for